Welcome back. So, David, let's watch the video.
Oh baby, VTEC don't know, but VTEC anyway. All right, jump in. There's just something about this car. Its speed is incredibly not fast, but we just love this car so much. I don't know why. Thank you, Japan. Let's go check it out. Good morning, good afternoon, good night guys, wherever you are, welcome. We're doing a build breakdown of our 2003 Honda Life rig. We're going to just show you how awesome this car is, so check it out. Alright, now that you can see this thing opened up, now I just wanted to clarify to everyone, this thing's a 5-speed, 600cc 3-cylinder weapon. So let's make our way down. Now we've done the most important thing and lowered the car. Starting off with that, we've had to lower it because you can't be driving stand now. Also another thing, we have spaced the wheels out because this thing was not safe on the highway at all. The wind would literally take you from lane to lane. So the first day I drove it back home, I was like, man, this is not safe. So we've done a big upgrade. Right here. That is pretty much a $150 upgrade of a pod filter, 3-inch mandrel bend, and a Raceworks adapter straight off the throttle body for that maximum VTEC sound. That I just need to re-show you because it's just glorious. While we're in here, straight from Japan, with the Japanese logbooks. Now, look, these are really great, except I can't read Japanese. So luckily we have a friend who knows how to read Japanese and he told me more about it. So as far as I know, this car is literally the only one in the country of its thing. So 2003 Honda Life, only one. Rig. Even other people coming to check it out. Yeah mate, 03. Spectator coming to check it out. As you can see, one of the upgrades we've done, dildo short, or not short shifter, just a dildo shifter. It's very important. Now nothing else is going to happen in this interior because it's just, oh, I love it, it's perfect. 4 power windows. You don't just get that in your ordinary K car, alright? So that's one thing. While she's warming up for maximum induction. Just Society represent, obviously. This is why this car is just that cool. Not only is this our go to get Carl's Junior car, but actually if I take this off, pull this bad boy out, this is, oh mate, this tucks right in. Car parts fit into here. Obviously that goes down too, but for the sake of this video, we'll just put down the one. So, and this has a few settings. Like, what the heck, Honda? I feel like this car puts Australian vehicles to shame because like this is such a small vehicle. Like me and Quinny sitting in this car, touching shoulder to shoulder, but yet it feels so big. Don't know how, don't know why. We're gonna make our way back to the front. Just experience this induction. Yeah, look, so it is what it is. People come around, checking it out. Another Honda. Wants to be just like this when he's older. I don't know what else to tell you guys. She's this 5-speed manual, which is also rare. So we actually got this off Timmy with the Sora. He was telling me he actually got this from a family friend in Japan, and this car was actually quite rare for what it is, because where it came from, they never sold with what it has, like the manual, the 5-speed manual and this engine in that area. So she's a bit of a rarity when it comes to all things, and we love it. Nothing more to say, let's go for a drive, eh? Every shop car needs to make sure that it can, you know, do the important things that a drift preparing workshop does, and make sure that this car can still do something entertaining. Now that we've warmed up our tyres, pretty much street monster. Pretty much broke 200 kilometers an hour just then. That was hectic. So bringing this thing to a close, guys. We love this car, but it will eventually get a turbo. As much as we love the full-on induction noise, it's not particularly quick. So we definitely want to put a turbo on it. Injectors, ECU, just real basic, just to give it some more put. Obviously, like one person, it's not the slowest. It's actually pretty slow. With everyone in the car, which is 4 of us normally, it's not very fast. So we have new alternator coming, we've got new bushes coming, new clutch coming. So we're going to deck this thing out in terms of durability, because I don't want to break this gearbox. I don't know where I'm going to find one. So that's it for this, guys. Thank you, hope you enjoyed it. We had to do a thing on this car because we love this car that much, and we just had to share it with everyone. So if you see this thing going around, give us a shuckers or something. Yeah, we'll be delivering parts in this rig as well. So peace out, see you in the next one.